Hello everyone, I will talk to you about where does milk come from. Charlie is 6 years old. He visits his uncle and aunt every summer. They live on the farm. They have cow, chicken, sheep, and pig, horse, and the farm. Billy loves all the animals. This oh, this summer, he is going to learn how to milk a cow. How? His friend cannot believe it. We get our milk from the story, they said. But our friend is going to get from a cow. Really now, milk doesn't come to the story, he said. Milk comes from a cow. His friend do not believe him, but his teacher said, yes, milk comes from cow. Cow eat grass, they churn the grass into milk. The farmers sell the milk and they buy into the story. The teacher tells them one more thing. Did you know that cows have first most the kid or some but it's true. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.